Hi folks, welcome to 6.2 Disc and Washer Method. This is our last practice problem. We're going to take a look at question number 10 here. Question number 10 says, find the volume of the solid of revolution generated by rotating the area between the graph of f of x equals x squared and g of x equals 4 about the line x equals 4. So this problem should look kind of familiar because it is very similar to the problem that we did above, except that we're going to be revolving it around a different line. So let's sketch our same area and then look at where our axis of revolution is. So I know that I have my 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 4. And then I have my horizontal line across the top at y equals 4. All right, so my axis of revolution is going to be at x equals 4, okay? And so let's just practice sketching the reflection. So I'm going to reflect all of my points so that they are the same distance away from that axis of revolution. All right. Now let's go ahead and draw our radii. So I want them to go this way, okay, because that is perpendicular to my axis of revolution. And I can tell that I'm going to have a hole in the middle because there's this space between the original picture and the reflected picture. So if we know we need to use washer, I know I need to have pi big R squared minus little r squared, okay? Now, let's see what our big radius and our little radius are. So the curve that is further away from the green line is the pink one. And that would be this part right here. But the curve that is closer to the green line is also the pink one. Well, we've seen this when we looked at area between two curves, and this is not something that we know how to handle, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to save this problem for when we learn a different method to help us take care of this, all right? So when we run into a situation like this where we cannot use washer method, okay, we're going to learn a different method that will help us, and that is called shell method. All right, so shell method is going to give us a way to handle these kinds of situations, all right, but as we know right now, we don't know how to solve this. All right, so that's it for question number 10. It's a short one, but it's important to realize that sometimes the method we know doesn't work, and that's why we need to learn a different method. All right, folks, that's it for 6.2, and I'll see you back here for 6.3.